So Marissa's a responsible shopper and she wants to make sure that her calculations were correct, and she really did get the 40% discount. I've gone ahead and I've made a proportion box. I find that labeling the proportion is really helpful in confirming that you put the numbers in the correct spot. So we have part and whole, and then dollars and percents. It's put in the same order as what you did on your table. So part of the price of the pants, which was the discount, was $26, and that was 40% off, if Marissa was correct. The whole price of the pants was $65, so I'm writing $65 in whole, and then the percent that all of the jeans would cost would be 100%. So I've lined up my proportion box, and this would be the same as writing the ratio is 26 over 40 equals 65 over 100. Just a way to label it and make sure that everything is in the right spot. I need to confirm that these are the same. I could use division. I could do 26 divided by 40, and I could take 65 divided by 100, and if I get the same number for both of those, then I know that these are proportional. In this case, they are. I'm going to get 65 hundredths for both of these. So yes, 65 hundredths and 65 hundredths are the same. The decimal amounts are the exact same. That's one way to show that these two are equal. Another way would be to simplify one of the fractions, and then to see if you end up with the same amount using a giant 1. This is a strategy that we've used other times. So I'm going to simplify the 65 over 100. I know that 5 can go into 65 and into 100. So I'm going to be dividing by a giant 1, which would be 5/5. And 65 divided by 5 gives me 13. And 100 divided by 5 gives me 20. If I take a look at this, 13/20ths, and compare it to 26/40ths, see that I could use a giant 1 again and multiply by 2 halves. And that is going to get me to the original amount, which was 26 over 40, which is the same number. So you can decide if you like using a giant 1 or if you like using division. Either way would prove that these two are equal.